See here, in the previous video we will discuss the mechanism of monochlorination of alkane and their reactivity and their selectivity and some stereochemistry. So in this video we will discuss only problems of the monochlorination of alkane for JEE Advanced and Mains and NEET. Okay. See the first question. The order of ease of formation of free radical in alkane is. So we know that the stability of free radical is tertiary free radical is more stable because in the chlorination is takes place by free radical mechanism. So first tertiary free radical is more stable, then secondary, then primary, then methyl. So which one easily forms the tertiary free radical? Which one will form easily the free radical? See, tertiary easily form the free radical. See here there is the correction there. See tertiary is, yes, here very less is right answer. Here CH, actually this methyl free radical highly unstable. And here see tertiary free radical more stable, then secondary, then primary, then methyl. And this is the right answer. In this case also see tertiary is more than secondary, but secondary is less than primary. It is not a right answer. So tertiary free radical is easily formed. This is the right answer. Now see, which of the following alkane gives only one product on monochlorination? So when you do the monochlorination, you have to get only single products. See, such option is there. See, if you do the monochlorination here, see possibility here also there, here also there. See, I am giving the arrow. Two products you will get, and here chiral center is also forming. It means three products. See here there is no hydrogen. Here, all 4 CH3 undergoes monochlorination, but all are same because they are having the same chemical environment. So if you do monochlorination at any point, you will get only single product. So right answer is this one. Here you will get how many products? See, both CH3 are same. So it means 1, here 2, here 3, here 4 products you will get. Here 1 and this is 2. Here 3 products, but here only 1 products you will get. Right answer is this one. Okay? Right on. Okay, now see the next third question. Find the number of products including stereomers on monochlorination of methyl cyclopentane. See, this is a methyl cyclopentane. Yes, this is methyl cyclopentane. It is not a chiral center. Okay. So now when you do the monochlorination, so many products you are possible. See here at a methyl group monochlorination is possible. Yes, methyl, one product. See at tertiary carbon atom is also possible. See here 1. See this both are same and this both are same. Again you will get here. See this is CH3. Now one here and one more product possible. See this is CH3. Now yes. So total how many products? Only the products 1, 2, 3, 4 products are getting. But now we have to calculate the stereomer. See here the new chiral center is forming, and due to this chlorination, this become also now chiral. Here also 2 chiral center I am getting. So you can 2 chiral center means you know that formula 2 raised to n. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Here also 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. So sometimes this formula is not work. So you have to draw the structure. So total compound is what? 4, 4, 8, 8. This is it chiral center? No. 8, 9. Is it chiral center? No. For 10 products you are getting. But how see? In this compound, you will get the 2 structures. How? I am representing the 4. Here you will get like, if I take CH3 is above the plane and Cl. This is a cis. And one more is possible. See, this is trans, and it is optically active. See here. So this chlorine may be below the plane. It means here below the plane is this is the trans. This is optically inactive. So it means it has mirror image. What that mirror image? Both are below the plane. Here also you can have the mirror image. That mirror image, this is above the plane, it means this is below the plane. and this is above. Are you getting my point? It means total, this is enantiomeric pair. Enantiomeric pair. This is also enantiomeric pair. Here we are getting total 4. In the same way, here also you will get one is a cis, one is a trans. Cis also optical active, trans also optical active. So it means they have the mirror image. Here also you are getting 4, but 2 enantiomeric pairs. See, sometimes they will change the question. See, find the number of enantiomeric pairs on monochlorination of methyl cyclopentane. So enantiomeric pairs, how many enantiomeric pairs you are getting? See, this is 1 and this is 2, and here also 4 you are getting. It means there are also 2 pairs. Total 4 enantiomeric pairs. Answer is 4 pair. Enantiomeric pair. So I will give the total possible questions here. The first question is here A. Total products here including stereo. Masses was 10. 4, 4, 2, 10. C. B. B. What is the question here? Enantiomeric pairs. Enantiomeric. How many pairs you are getting? Only 4 pairs. Then C question. How many fractions? See, how many fractions you are getting? Fractions means what? The compounds can be separated on fractional distillation. So how many fractions you are getting? How many compounds you can separate by fractional distillation? See here 1, 2. See here 4 you are getting. In this 4, one is the enantiomeric pair come out because enantiomers have the same boiling point. See, this is 1 and this is 2 here. It means 1, 2, this pair 3, this pair 4. Here also 2 pairs. 6. Total 6 fractions you will get. Understood? Write down, these are the total 3 questions. And see one more, 4. Total products. Total products. Excluding stereomers is total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the answer. So in that question we have the A, B, C, D. Very, very important. Understood? Let's write it. Now see 4th question. Again same. Now I am taking methyl cyclohexane. So on monochlorination, see, on monochlorination, this is the integer type. All are integer type questions. So you have to find the total number of compounds including stereomers and enantiomeric pairs and fractions and total products excluding stereomers. See, how many products you are getting? See first, this is CH3. On chlorination on CH3, 1 product, Cl, and tertiary carbon atom 2. Now here at this point, because both are same, now CH3, here also possible both are same. Now see here CH3, now here also 1. Total products are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products you are getting, excluding stereomers. Now count the what? Stereomers. Here 2 chiral centers you are getting. So here what? 2 raised to 2, 4. Here 2 chiral center you are getting. 2 raised to 2. How many here? 4. Here 2 chiral center. Now here only there is no chiral center here. See, this is same environment. There is no chiral center. Only geometrical. Here 2 you will get. This is optically inactive you will get. I will explain. Don't worry. Now in this case I am giving this is A, B, C, D, E. I am taking now C. In the C, how many products? Because here both will possible. One is cis, and one is trans. Okay, and both are optically active, so it has a mirror image and it is also mirror image. So this is our here mirror, here also mirror you get. Total 4. If you take D, so this is what enantiomeric pair. Enantiomeric pair. So if you take the D, see again this is chiral center. Here you will get cis, and here also mirror image, and one more. See here trans. Why I am writing mirror image every time? Because it is initially it is not a chiral center. So after chlorination, that CH3, this carbon atom become chiral center. Now you can write below the plane, otherwise above the plane. This is trans. This is also optically active. Have the mirror image. Enantiomeric pair. Now if you take the E, in this case you will get again also one is cis, and another is trans. You will get trans. But what happen, क्या होगा बेटा, both are optically inactive. क्यों? यहाँ पे plane of symmetry देखो. So compound having the plane of symmetry optically inactive. आप इसको रोटेट करेंगे तो सेम ही मॉलिक्यूल मिलेगा. तो दिस इज प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री, ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव. ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल डज नॉट हैव द मिरर इमेज. दिस इज आल्सो ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव, सो इसका मिरर इमेज नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज आल्सो POS, that is optically inactive. So optically inactive molecules does not have the mirror image. So only geometrical, one is cis, one is trans. Only geometrical isomers possible, not optical isomers. By total गिनो अभी कितना हुआ? 1 2 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 2. Total कितना हो रहा है? Total 12 products you are getting. See 1 2 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 2. Yes. Total products कितना? So total products including stereomer is equal to 12. Here see total products excluding stereomer 1 2 3 4 5. Now tell me fractions. This is A, B, C. Fractions. How many fractions you are getting? See 1 2. Here 4 means this is one fraction, this is one fraction, enantiomeric pair. So 1 2, here 2, 4, here 2, 4 6. Here only 2. Geometrical isomers have the different physical properties. So 1 2, here 2 4, here 2 6, here 2. Total 8 fractions you are getting. Yes. And how many D is enantiomeric pairs? How many enantiomeric pairs you are getting? Here 2 pairs, here also 2 pairs, total 4. Because these are not enantiomeric pairs, these are the geometrical isomers. So now this is the your fourth question. भाई ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत अच्छे से समझा रहा हूँ, ट्राई करो समझने की. अंडरस्टूड? राइट डाउन. Yes, okay, now see the fifth question. This is JEE Advanced 2016 question from paper 1. In the following monobromination reaction, the number of possible chiral product means what? Optically active. Understood? Having the chiral center. Otherwise, what? Non-superimposable mirror images. Okay, now see here. Mono, it means what? 1 mole, 1 mole. It means what? Monobromination. So what is the possible product here? So first we have to write. First the bromination possible at this point. See CH2, CH3. First product here also. This tertiary bromide. This is one possible. Okay, this is one. I am giving product number 1. Now here CH at CH3 also possible. CH2, CH2, now CH3, now see Br, now H, here also possible. Now first see, is it optical active? Is there any chiral center? No chiral center. See, bromine chiral center means the carbon atom attached to 4 different groups. Here there is no chiral center. Here this is chiral center, so this is optically active. Start now. Second product. Now see third. Chlorination maybe takes place at this point. See here, at this point. Now here see, this is at a CH2 means what? I will write like this, CH3. Now already one Br is there, yes. And now this is CH2. It means here bromination will take place. And the remaining is what? CH2. Now CH3. Here this is what? Chiral center. Are you getting my point? This is what? 3. This is chiral center. So it means here its mirror image also possible, because see the bromination may take place left side. It means one more is possible. Like you can write here like this. CH3. Now here one Br. देखो यहाँ पर अगर इसमें राइट साइड है तो लेफ्ट साइड भी तो पॉसिबल है. सो यार ये 4 हो गया, because left side यहाँ पे right side, यहाँ पे left side. This is also optically active. Now one more. क्या possible होगा? Now here also possible. See, now I'm writing CH3. Now CH3. यहाँ पे एक Br. See, now it become to here CH2. See, this is CH2. Here bromination will take place. This is CH2. And one more Br is there. Okay, now see here. Is it optically active? No. This is optically inactive because this is meso compound. See, meso compound. Plane of symmetry is there. Okay. Now see here. Sixth one. There is a possibility here. Left side also possible. See, this is CH2. Now your bromination takes place at left side. Hello. Okay, now see, 6 is also possible. Here what right side is bromination takes place. Now there is one more possibility in that the bromination may takes place left side. See, this is optically inactive, but this is optically active. This is optically active. Okay. Now this is what 6. And what here also done, here also done. See, one more here also possible. CH2 Br. Now CH2. Now CH2. Here the reaction does not, the chiral center does not takes place because it is already chiral. So here also this is optically active. Okay. Now total 7 products. Actually this is also very important, because here they can also, here asking only optically active. They may ask the number of isomers including stereomers. So answer is what? Total 7. But they are asking only chiral product. In the exam, they may ask the total number of products including stereomers, stereoisomers. But in this question, they are asking chiral product. It means optically active. So is it optically active? No, there is no chiral center. This is optically active 1. This is also optically active. This is optically active 2. This is optically active 1, 2, 3. 3 I see. This is also optical active 3, 4. This is also optical active 5. So total integer question answer is what? 5 is the right answer for optical active product. But if they ask number of products including stereomers, total is 7. Understood? This is 2016 JEE Advanced P1 question from paper 1. Write down. Okay, now see question number 6. It is not a chlorination reaction, but this is also counting the stereomers. This is JEE Advanced 2019 paper 2 question. Total number of isomers considering both structural and stereomers of cyclic ether with the molecular formula C4H8O. See, we have to consider cyclic ether. So in this cyclic ether, see, first you have to calculate du. What is the degree of unsaturation here? C is equal to 4. It means hydrogen must be 10. But here only what? 8. So here 10 minus 8 by 2 is equal to 1. 1 degree of unsaturation. But we have to consider here only what? Which compound? Cyclic ether. So here, see, the first compound you can make 4 carbon atoms, 1 oxygen, cyclic ether. See, CH2, 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 H8, C4, 1. It is also possible, see, 3 carbon atoms, and this is 1 CH3. Now also it is also possible, see, this is 1 CH3. Actually this is now chiral center. It is not a chiral center because both are same and also plane of symmetry is there. So this is 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 because chiral center. Now you can also write here 3 number 1, 2 CH3. It is not, is it chiral center? Yes. This is also chiral center, this is also chiral center. So here 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, but not, this is a symmetrical. See, here both will possible. I will give the structure here. This is a 3 member ring. 1 cis also possible. And here 1 trans also possible. See, but cis is optically inactive, plane of symmetry. So it does not have the mirror image. It is optically active. It has a mirror image. Total means what here? 3. So it means here you are getting 2 chiral center but symmetrical. That's why 3 you are getting. Next, one more possibility is there for this ether. See, like this. Both CH3 are same side. Here there is no chiral center. And one more ether is possible. See. So this is ethyl. CH2, CH3. So now count here total. 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 7, 7 here 8, and this is 9. Here also this is what? Chiral center again. See here. Here 2 you are getting. So total 10 you are getting. 1, 3, 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So what is the answer here? Total isomers. It is the question is 10 is the right answer. Understood? Write down. See here. This is also very important question. The number of possible enantiomeric pairs that can be produced during monochlorination of 2-phenyl butane. See here. 2-phenyl butane. This is a butane. This is a 2-phenyl group. So this is 2-phenyl group. 2-phenyl butane. Actually, this is already chiral center before reaction. It means the stereochemistry of this carbon atom is fixed. Are you getting my point? Suppose if I consider the stereochemistry of this one, for example, is it above the plane? Just consider. Otherwise, you can also consider below the plane. But whatever, above the plane or below the plane, it fixed the stereochemistry. Are you getting my point? Okay. Now do the monochlorination. So first here possible is there 1. See here pH and the second it become what chiral center. Now here also possible above the plane. One more is there, one more possibility. It's mirror below. Okay. Now see, here also possible. Now when it is, the reaction takes place at this point. Now free radical mechanism, it is become planar. Now here two structures are possible. Here pH and this is Cl, and one more, it's mirror image. Now here what? Below the plane pH, and above the plane Cl. Okay. Now see here, one more here possible. This is above the plane, and here see Cl. Total products we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we are getting. But they are asking what? Enantiomeric pairs they are asking. So how many enantiomeric pairs? See, this is mirror image. Enantiomeric pairs, these are the what? Enantiomeric pair. So this is not the enantiomeric pair. See, because this carbon atom is mirror image, but this carbon atom is not a mirror image. The stereochemistry of this carbon does not change because there is no reaction taking place. It means the entire molecule is not a mirror image. Only this part mirror image. See, आधा बॉडी मिरर इमेज है. सो सपोज अगर नीचे वाला मिरर इमेज है तो ऊपर वाला मिरर इमेज नहीं है, तो टोटल पिक्चर थोड़ी ना मिरर इमेज होगा. सो इट मींस द टोटल मॉलिक्यूल इज नॉट ए मिरर इमेज. These two are called what? Diastereomers. So now what is the answer? Enantiomeric pair. A. Enantiomeric pairs is equal to 1. B. Answer. Right answer is this one, but extra questions I am giving. Total products including stereomers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you getting mine? Now see fractions, total fractions. How many fractions? See 1. And diastereomers easily separated by fractional distillation. Boiling point different. 1, 2, 3. Enantiomeric pair does not separate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Answer is fraction is 5. Understood? Yes. Write down. Okay. Now see the next question. The number of fractions on distillation of the dibromo product mixtures obtained by photobromination of butane. So here actually this is N-butane. Okay. Now we have to do the dibromination of N-butane. CH3, CH3, N-butane. This is also very, very important. My favorite question, this one. See, do the dibromination. Photobromination means sunlight. Dibromination here what? First, 2 bromine may be attacked at this point. Br. See, one more possibility is there. This 2 bromine may be attacked at second carbon atom. See, this 2 bromine may be attacked at 1, and this is 2 position. And also one more possibility. This is 1 and 1, 2, 1, 3 also possible. And one more, see, 1, 4 also possible. And see, 2, 3 also possible. Is there any possibility again? 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 1, 3, then 1, 4, and 1, 2 is over. Then 2, 3, yes. 2, 4 is there. 2 4 means what? 2 4 nothing but this is 2 4. Actually this is 2 4. Actually this is 1 3. Okay. Now these are the possible product. See 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now see the chiral center. Here any chiral center? No. Here no chiral center. No chiral center. See here chiral center is there. So it means this is 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 you are getting. Yes, here chiral center. Here also 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. Yes, two products. Here is there any chiral center? No chiral center. Here see chiral center is there. Both are chiral center. And it is symmetrical. Actually in the symmetrical you will get only 3. How? See, you can write like this. This is above the plane. Here also above the plane. This is cis you can write. One more is trans. Actually this is optically inactive. Are you getting my point? See, here COS there, center of symmetry. COS, center of symmetry. Otherwise you can turn this molecule. If you turn like this molecule, like you will get like this. CH3. Now see, when you turn this molecule, when you rotate this carbon atom, like अगर आपने clockwise direction, if you rotate in the clockwise direction, this is above the plane, so it convert into, so this is below the plane, it convert into above the plane. Now see here, yeah, BR. So now here, plane of symmetry is there. Now if you rotate this carbon atom, here what, this BR goes to below the plane, so there is no plane of symmetry. This is what optically active. It has a mirror image. This is optically inactive. So here what? Here you are getting total how many? 3. Total products how many you are getting? 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6, 7, 7 plus 3. Total 10 you are getting. But see how many fractions? It means can be separated by fractional distillation. It means that should have the different boiling point. See, they are the diastereomers. 1, 2, here pair. 1, 2, 3, here pair. 4, 4, 5. 5 plus here see, this is one pair. So 6 and this is 1. Total 7. Answer. Fractions are, how many fractions can be separated? Here see, if they ask the fraction answer is what? 7. A. Now B. Total products including stereomers, total 10 you are getting. 1, 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7 plus 3, total 10 you are getting. Understood here? Now fraction 7, total products and excluding C. Here C, excluding stereomers, how many you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 you are getting. Understood? So this is A, this is B, this is C. Yes? Write down. This is also very excellent question.